Hey guys, Jerry here this morning. Today we got a double whammy. We're cleaning two cars side by side, same house. Full details inside, outside. And these are probably some of the cleaner ones we've ever gotten. They're not bad at all. Black, regular stuff. Morning, Jake.
Morning.
Aaron.
Morning.
Yeah. Be doing these. Ain't bad either. Got gray and clear. Yeah, they ain't even dirty hardly. A little bit. Lovey. Yep, piece of cake. So it's a little overcast today. It'll be a nice day. And we got another. So we got these two this morning. We got another truck after this. It's a full detail paint, one-step paint correction and 1 year ceramic coating. We're gonna do it. Hopefully before it rains. Give them rain later on tonight, so gotta get her done before it rains. Man, it has turned out to be a hot one, ain't it, bud?
Yeah.
Are you sweaty? Aaron's over here vacuuming car number 2. Me and Jake's got this one wrapped up. It's done. He's got to do his windows still, right, or no?
No, I got the windows.
I got the windows. All right. Yeah, man. Looking good. Which it wasn't that dirty, was it?
No.
And the floor carpet, easy to clean. The back carpet's not so easy. But yeah, man. It's looking good. We got her all shined up. Owner will be happy with this one. Yeah, man. Looking good. We got the insides clean on both of them. Just started washing that one off. These old black cars, man, they're hard to clean in the heat, but outsides. But yeah, man, she's looking good in here. Smelling good. Looking good. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So Aaron's up here. I've already defoamed it. Jacob cleaned the tires. I scrubbed it. And Aaron's rinsing it off now. And while Jacob's drying that one, we're going to start washing this one. And then we're going to black out the 2 bow ties, the 2 Chevy emblems on here. We got Manfrotto vinyl. And make that one black. And make that one black right there. That'll be good. And still rocking, boys. What do you think the temperature is, Jake?
101.
It feels like 101 though. So we'll keep trucking. I got a new hat, by the way. Woo. We got everything dried off, ceramic sprayed. Rims. Jake's working on tires. It's looking good. Looking good. Car's looking good. Aaron's working on blacking out the bow tie. How many detailers do that? Yeah, I'd say 0. What do you think, Big Jake?
Looking good.
Coming along, ready to go eat some Mexican food?
Yeah.
You got the mats cleaned up, ready to roll back in there. Yeah, man, just about done with these. We'll do some after footage when they're done and see you on the next one. So we're on vehicle number 3 today. Big truck. We're gonna do a full detail inside and out, and polish, one-step paint correction, and ceramic coating, 1 year ceramic coating on it. But yeah, it's full of stuff. It's full of stuff. Older model truck, but it'll work out. It's trying to spray me. Oh yeah, it'll look good. Okay, so we got this big beast done. Got a inside outside detail, shampooed, seats, carpets. Got a 1-step paint correction on the outside with 1 year Avalon King ceramic coating. Boom, boom, boom. She looks good, boys. Yeah, it kind of surprises. She turned out nice. And you know, you got stuff like this right here, you can't do anything with that. But yeah, it's looking good, boy. Looking good. Inside all cleaned up. Yeah, man. Yeah, buddy. Good deal. I think he got it muddy over here, didn't he? Hey Jake, go over and help Aaron with them fender wells on that side. They look kind of muddy. But yeah, man, there's a happy owner. But yeah, man, looking good. Turned out nice. See ya.